I am at the Virginia Lake Trailhead in the Herbert Hoover Wilderness in Humboldt-Toiyabe National Forest. I'm about to hike out to Frog Lakes. Come on with. You can see there's still quite a bit of snow. It's July 7th. There's quite a bit of snow on the mountains still. Obviously in some of the shadier parts. But still pretty late season snow. And there are places higher in elevation where it's even more significant, which is pretty crazy to drive through. I've been doing sort of an Eastern Sierras road trip. I did Mono Lake Tufa State Natural Reserve and Bodie State Historic Park. But I wanted to get out and do some real hiking too. So I'm in Hoover Wilderness. It's been triple digit heat all weekend, like 108 today. But it's nice and cool now. It's nice and cool here. And then I'll be driving home along 395 today. So that's the itinerary. It's been a while since I hiked in the Sierras, and I love hiking in Southern California. I think it's really cool, but it's easy to forget how amazing the Sierras are. Just every corner you turn, there's something breathtaking, literally and figuratively. But just the water and the jagged granite mountains, it's just, look at this. I could be doing this the entire time. And, you know, it's It's always a nice treat. I've got a couple of trips coming up that I'm guiding in Yosemite. Sorry, I'm on a water crossing. I'm guiding a couple of trips in Yosemite this fall, and so it's nice to be in the Sierras again and remember what it's like and sort of get energized for those trips. I haven't guided a trip in a few years, and I'm doing 2 back-to-back through Yosemite, so getting very excited. Coming up on the parking lot now, so I'm gonna wrap this video up. Hope you had a great time. I know I sure did. And hey, let's do this again sometime.